What if you travel or pay internationally, but every time you lose 3 to 5% without even noticing? Conversion fees, a bad exchange rate, and ATM withdrawal fees.
All these quietly take your money. But in contrast, there's a card that's changing the game.
The Wise Multicurrency Card. In this video, we'll uncover the whole truth. Is it worth it? How do you order it step by step? What are its real fees? How do you use it when traveling and withdrawing from ATMs without losses? The Wise card is a debit card linked to a multi-currency account. Simply put, you can hold over 40 currencies in a single account and pay directly using the local currency, or it converts automatically at an exchange rate close to the real one. You can use it for travel, shopping, or paying online. The basic idea is that you don't need a traditional bank to convert currencies every time. The problem isn't just about the direct fees. There are two other ways banks make you lose money. International transaction fees, which are usually between 2 to 3% for each transaction.
And the hidden exchange rate markup. The bank doesn't give you the real rate, but adds a margin that can be from 1 to 5%.
For instance, spending or withdrawing $1,000 means $30 in direct fees, plus a $20 to $30 exchange rate difference, leading to $50 to $60 lost unknowingly. Wise differentiates itself from traditional banks. Rather than imposing hidden fees, it utilizes the true exchange rate and applies a minimal conversion charge, typically ranging from 0.4 to 0.7%.
And after converting, you can use the card with no extra fees.
This means you convert once and then spend freely while traveling. The first essential step to order the card is to make sure you've created a Wise Multicurrency account and completed the identity verification process. This is an extremely crucial step, as you cannot order the card without a verified account.
If you haven't completed this step, please take your time to finish your registration, and then explore our past videos on the channel for a comprehensive guide on the full process. The identity verification process helps protect your account and grants you complete access to manage your currencies with ease and security.
After your account is confirmed, the next step is to add balance to your account. Adding funds not only activates your account, but also enables you to seamlessly begin utilizing Wise's services. Consider this an important step, the key to start your financial journey with Wise. It's quick and easy. Just make sure you have enough balance to get started. Once your account has been approved and successfully funded, then open the Wise mobile app or website and go to the Card section.
This section allows you to smoothly go through the ordering process with a simple and very clear interface.
You'll find two main options: the digital card and the physical card.
The digital card is completely free and immediately available for use, making it ideal for online purchases, phone payments, and use with various payment wallets. However, if you prefer to have a tangible card in your wallet, then you can opt for the physical card.
This card requires a one-time fee that varies depending on the currency and country. After choosing the right card type for you, enter your address accurately.
This is very important, especially if you chose a physical card, to ensure it arrives without any issues.
Next, you'll pay the fee for the physical card if you chose that option. If you chose the physical card, all you have to do now is wait. Typically, the card will arrive within 5 to 21 business days. Its arrival time contingent on your geographic location.
However, if you opt for the digital card, it's instantly ready to use without any waiting time.
You can immediately utilize it for your online purchases, and it can also be easily connected to your phone's payment wallet. And just like that, you've successfully ordered your Wise card. Whether you opted for the digital or physical card, you are now fully prepared to manage multiple currencies with ease and flexibility, completely hassle-free.
Now, here's the most important part to understand. There are no monthly fees, no subscription fees, and no hidden costs. There are only card issuance fees in some countries, very low currency conversion fees, ATM withdrawal fees applied after exceeding the free limit, and remember that fees from the ATMs themselves are not associated with Wise.
This is Wise's true power. When traveling, Pay directly in local currency, or it converts automatically at the best rate. You don't need to exchange currency in advance. It works in most countries around the world and can be linked to Google Pay and Apple Pay. For instance, if you travel to Europe or the UK, you pay directly, no need to think about conversion. You can withdraw cash from any ATM around the world. But there are important details. There's a free monthly withdrawal limit, which varies by country. After the limit, there's a small, low percentage fee.
Some ATMs impose their own separate additional fees, and these are not charges levied by WIES.
When you withdraw, always choose the local currency, not your home currency, because you'll lose money on the exchange rate. Despite its strength, WISE isn't flawless. Free cash withdrawals are limited, and it won't build your credit score. It doesn't offer travel points or cashback. Some countries don't support all features, and it requires digital app management. The Wise card is truly beneficial if you frequently travel, manage various currencies, work remotely, or receive international funds and aim to reduce your bank charges. You might not need it if you only use it within your country. Don't withdraw a lot of cash or deal with foreign currencies often. The Wise card isn't exactly a magic card, but it is one of the most transparent and intelligent tools for modern travel. It doesn't eliminate fees completely, but it reduces them significantly compared to traditional banks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming Wise Bank tutorial series videos.